Jefferson, this is Houston. Do you read me?
Coming in loud and clear, Houston.
We got all systems on standby. How are yours?
All systems reading A-OK.
You know, you're going to be a national hero after this. No one has ever landed on a meteor before. Are you ready?
Couldn't be more. My wife packed me a sack lunch.
What'd she pack you?
PB&J sandwich, banana, juice box, and a snack pack for dessert.
She must really love you.
I think she does. She put in a note that says XOXO.
Are you ready for countdown, Jefferson?
Ready.
Starting countdown. Oh, we got that guest counter for you.
10, 9, 8, 7,
Beginning ignition.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Godspeed, Jefferson.
Who needs God when you have a snack pack?
Well, I don't believe it. It actually worked.
Nope. Didn't work, Bert.